हेलो एवरीवन। तो हमने पिछली वीडियो में 2 to 8 के इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस किए थे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक। नाउ नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है करंट अवेयरनेस सर्विस एंड इट्स टाइप। Every day a substantial amount of current literature is being placed in the web and users from any part of the world are seeing the same on the web practically without any loss of time. Types of CAS: फर्स्ट है टाइटल अनाउंसमेंट सर्विस, सेकेंड है अनाउंसमेंट ऑफ रिसर्च इन प्रोग्रेस, थर्ड है सिलेक्टिव डिसमिनेशन ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस फॉर एडवांस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट फोर्थ कमिंग कॉन्फ्रेंस, फिफ्थ न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग सर्विस। फर्स्ट है टाइटल अनाउंसमेंट सर्विस। द मेन पर्पस ऑफ द सर्विस इज टू डिसमिनेट द टाइटल ऑफ द आर्टिकल अलॉन्ग विद देयर bibliographic detail. The service is provided in various forms such as reproducing the title pages as they are without making any changes. This service is also known as the current content type service and was introduced. Now the second is announcement of research in progress. In this word, at any given point at time, millions of research projects are found to be ongoing. For a researcher, it is more or less compulsory to know the research work that has already been done in his or her field and the ones that are going on. Third is selective dissemination of information. The mechanized SDI system based on Loon's design was first implemented in 1959 at the Advanced System Development Division of IBM Corporation at Yorktown Heights, New York. The success of the system emboldened others to know suit, and gradually the system spread all over the world. Now fourth is advance information about forthcoming conferences. Every year numerous conferences are held all over the world. These conferences are organized by various organizations and are devoted to one or more subjects. They are usually local, national or international in scope. Now fifth is newspaper clipping service. Every day hundred of news items are published in newspaper in various languages. Apart from new item, a newspaper contain editorial, leader, article, letter, photograph, cartoon, comics, obituary, book, reviews, advertisement, etc. So this is the question number 7. The question number 8 is abstracting service, needs and type of abstract. An abstracting service is generally a bibliographical service that provides bibliographical detail of a publication along with the abstract of the same. In most cases, it is available in print form as well as in digital form. In print form, it appears at regular interval, that is weekly, fortnightly, monthly, etc. as a periodical. Now the necessity of an abstracting periodical or service. To understand this point, let us take a simple example. Suppose a scientist is working on the topic acid rain. A large number of articles are appearing every year in various research journal, review journal, conference proceeding, collected workbook, etc. on the topic acid rain. There might be one or more theses alone also on the subject. All these documents have been generated in different parts of the world in various languages. It is impossible for the scientist to know all the sources where the document have appeared in the world. Abstracting and indexing services of the world have appeared to save scientists and researchers from such an awkward situation. Now the type of abstract. First is titulus abstract. It is also called title or only abstract. In the case of many article, title are self-explanatory. In such cases, just the citation is given without providing any abstract. Second is annotation. It is clause or sentence added to amplify the title. Third is indicative or descriptive abstract. Lengthwise, it is shorter than an informative abstract and generally longer than an annotation. It is usually 20 to 50 words. Fourth is informative, informational or comprehensive abstract. This type of abstract is usually bigger than an indicative abstract. It can go up to 250 words or more or less than 100 words also. Now the point fifth is extended abstract. Often the organizer of conference demand an extended abstract of the article which the author intend to present in the projected conference. In term of word, the length of the abstract can go up to 600 word or more. Sixth is slanted abstract. An abstract written to represent a specific portion of a document or a particular perspective on its content, usually for the benefit of a specialized audience. Seventh is auto abstract. An auto abstract is a computer generated abstract. It depends on the frequency of keyword appearing in the text. Eighth is author abstract. Now author abstract is prepared by the author herself himself. Subject specialized prepare abstract. These abstracts are prepared by subject expert. 10 is professional abstract or prepared abstract. These abstractors who prepare abstract on various subjects by virtue of their vast experience in the field. Number 9 is machine translation. Machine translation is application of computer to the task of translating text from one language to another. In empty system, the computer program analyzes the text in one language, the source language, and then produce the equivalent text in another language, the target language, without human intervention. Empty system can be grouped into three basic systems: direct, transfer, interlingua. First is direct translation, the empty system using only bilingual dictionaries. The best known empty system for mainframe computer are of direct translation type. Example: SYSTRAN, LOGOS, FUJISTSU, Atlas system. Second is transfer approach. In this approach, there are three basic stages: analyze of input text into abstract source representation. Second, transfer to the abstract target representation, and generation into output language. Third is interlingua approach. In this system, the source text is analyzed into abstract representation, which is designed to be kind of language independent interlingua and can serve as an intermediary between large number of natural languages. और इंटरलिंगुआ मॉडल है ये मशीन ट्रांसलेशन का, तो आप देख सकते हो नॉलेज बेस लैंग्वेज फ्री रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Now the question number 10 is Web 2.0 and characteristic Web 2.0 model इसके tools. The concept of web sharing is the hallmark of Web 2.0. It is all about sharing the data, idea and effort and generating the services which have made a mark on a global scenario. Contrary to the concept of static web of 90s, the present web, that is Web 2.0, offer collaborative move toward led project irrespective of the geographical location of stakeholders, example YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, etc. वेब 2.0 के करेक्टरिस्टिक क्या क्या है? वेब एज अ प्लेटफॉर्म, पार्टिसिपेटरी वेब, यूज़र कंट्रोल. आप इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं अपनी लैंग्वेज में. Web 2.0 tool. Web 2.0 is agglomeration of technology developed in late 1990s. Web 2.0 indicate and improve www. The example of some of Web 2.0 application are Google, AdSense, Flickr, Facebook, Wikipedia. Podcast Dig, Google Maps. These applications are example of semantic environment where machine can understand and extract meaning or information. These applications provide an open environment for open communication and reusability of application as well as generated data in different contexts. It is a move from static website to more interactive searching and use and innovations. Now the question number 11 is newspaper clipping service. Clip mean to cut out an item from a newspaper, magazine, etc. using scissor, blade and the like. This make the meaning of newspaper clipping service clear. The scope of service depend on the demand of a service seeker. इसके टाइप्स क्या है? पर्सन ओरिएंटेड सर्विस, इंस्टीट्यूशन ओरिएंटेड सर्विस, गवर्नमेंट ओरिएंटेड सर्विस, सब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड सर्विस. Organization of the service. Step 1 selection of the item, step 2 clipping, step 3 pasting, step 4 assigning subject, heading and location, step 5 distribution of the clipping. Now the question number 12 is Moodle. Moodle is an open source course management system for running online e-learning module. It is available free. Educator can run online course module for the student. Moodle is the best tool to manage and promote online learning. Feature of Moodle are as follows. First, allow real-time synchronous communications while learning through chat. Second, instructor can conduct survey on subject matter to know learners' view. Third, threatened discussion board on forum can be created for sharing view on a subject matter. Instructor can control opening and closing period. Next, create a glossary of term attached with the course. Next, blog can be created at user level. Next, teacher and student can be enrolled or removed from a course. Next, backup and restoration of course can be done. So these are the features of the model. Now the question number 13 is SDI service, selective dissemination of information, SDI. Hence Peter Lohan advanced the idea of selective dissemination of information 1958, which in due course formed the basis for planning a number of SDI system by various body. The mechanized SDI system based on Lohan design was first implemented in 1959 at the Advanced System Development Division of IBM Corporation at Yorktown Heights, New York. The success of the system emboldened others to follow suit, and gradually the system spread all over the world. Now the component of SDA, the two basic component of SDA are the user and a document. User profile. A user profile include the name, address and keyword that represent the interest of the user. Document profile, as the document are coming, their profile are also created side by side. Document profile, complete bibliographical detail of the document are provided along with the keyword that represent the subject of the document. सो फ्रेंड्स, हमने सारे के सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लिए हैं। तो अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लग रही है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी जो भी बिलीव कर रहे हैं उनको आप मेरी चैनल का लिंक शेयर कर सकते हैं ताकि उन लोगों को भी हेल्प हो जाए। और थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।